Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the collector's challenge in Heartopia Winter Frost season. Okay, let's get started guys. Basically, the collector's challenge is a limited time event in Heartopia that revolves around gathering seasonal materials and submitting them to a special collection box placed right in front of your home. So this is the special collection box and you just need to click on this icon, but I've already submitted my materials to this box, so now it's full. If you haven't submitted your materials, click on this icon and then submit the winter materials to this box. And once you're done, you need to go to this winter menu and go to the fashion activity, and you will see this box. And this event happens on week 4 guys, so now it's unlocked, and you just need to claim the rewards here. Okay, basically you just need to submit the winter materials to this box and claim your rewards. And if you can't see this box in front of your home guys, maybe your level is not high enough, so you need to level up your DG member level to complete this challenge. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the collector's challenge in Heartopia Winter Frost season. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!